Hello, class. My name is Cheyenne. It's amazing to be here. I can't believe we're almost close to the end. The field placement that I've been in is in-home support. I work with a client who has autism and ADHD and help him function within his environment and with his family. I was doing a lot of one-on-one support, and now I'm probably moving into more of family group therapy type work. Um, what is one thing I've really enjoyed about my field experience? I really have loved the opportunity to work with a client that I like work so closely with just one particular client. There's a lot of times that I've worked in milieu or having a bunch of different clients, and when something difficult would come up, instead of being forced to deal with it, I would just go and support a different client until I come up with a solution. So I really appreciate needing to be challenged and having to actually work through a lot of the things that come up with the client, or having to get creative on the fly. I feel like that's really up to my game as a therapist or as a clinician. One challenge that I faced in my field experience is I am not always in a private room with my client. So sometimes the parents get involved, and that's been really difficult because the parent-client dynamic is pretty complicated and still needs a lot of support in and of itself. So the parents kind of jump in without knowing the support system, or like what the boundary is or expectation or what the activity is. They just come in and immediately parent. So it's been really difficult to manage that and trying to figure out the parents' needs with the kids, and then keep the client kind of at the focal point. So it's just been kind of complicated to deal with all that, and a lot of feelings have come up that transference that I've journaled to get through. One thing I've learned about myself is that I work really well with kids with autism and ADHD. I have in the past, but I didn't realize quite how keen I am in this field and how much I understand. And this field placement has helped me kind of admire that about myself. So I appreciate it. I cannot wait to get this semester going, and so good to have you classmates. Can't wait to finish it up. Can't wait to also hear about your field placement and hope it's going well for you. Again, my name is Cheyenne, and that was all about me. Thanks so much.